Hi, I'm Wade, your Get Set Up guide. WhatsApp is one of the most widely used messaging apps in the world. More than 1.5 billion users exchange messages, photos, and calls every day on WhatsApp. WhatsApp is considered to be the best app for making international calls or chats, and it also has the strongest encryption of any of the messaging apps. The goal of this class is to teach you how to use WhatsApp's many features. In this class, you will learn how to update your status, how to conduct individual and group chats, how to conduct individual and group video calls, and much more. After completing the class, one learner said, I have been meaning to use this app and just never did it until today. Now I understand it and I'm ready to use it. Thanks so much. If you're interested in learning how to use WhatsApp, I hope you'll sign up for the class. You can meet other learners with similar interests and become part of our lifelong learning community at Get Set Up.